Hello, welcome to come on over to our lovely Charms classroom, specially added in for this brand new feature. Welcome. Now you've heard a bit about some of the special techniques that have been used for Harry Potter. Now there are lots of different ways to achieve our magical things in Harry Potter, and the magic has been achieved in many different ways, and I'm sure you have been wondering this. Now when you see magic cast in Harry Potter, that was done with visual effects and special effects. So sometimes when you see the bright lights coming out of wands, that was done with visual effects, which is done in post-production with computer magic. And sometimes when you see things moving around and exploding and things happening, that is done with special effects, which means that it happens live in front of your very eyes, in front of your camera's cast and crew, with practical effects. And that is what we are going to demonstrate for you today with our lovely Charms classroom. Now the Charms classroom was actually filmed on location, which means they took their cast and crew onto a real place, in London. In this case, it was the Harrow School, which was built in the 1500s and actually schooled people like Winston Churchill and Lord Byron. And it, in this turn, was even the location for our lovely Hogwarts students, which is pretty cool. And this is what we are going to demonstrate for you today. Now, do you all know this very important question, which is this magic spell which causes our lovely feathers to move up into the air? Does everyone know this spell? Shout it out if you know the answer. Wingardium Leviosa. And we're going to have a go at doing that, so you have to do a nice big swish and flick. So shout it out for me. Swish and... So it looks like something's happening, but it's not that powerful. So we've got to do a big, nice, loud cheer. So a big, loud shout, nice and loud, from all our participants. 1, 2, 3. Wingardium Leviosa. Beautiful. Some lovely magic there that we have caused our lovely feather to fly up into the air and back down. Now, as I said, this is caused by some special effects, and in this case, this special effect is caused by this nice thin line, which you might be able to see here. And this big reveal comes in the form of this lovely ball here, which you can see in the dark. Now, this is only just a small fishing wire that is rigged up to a fishing line, and on set, our lovely John Richardson, the head of our special effects team, would have been holding that over the young Emma Watson and reeling it up and down so that she could follow it with her wand and create that lovely effect so it felt really authentic and really real on set, and that would have been how that small practical effect was achieved. But you would have seen some bigger effects take place, including some explosions and fiery dragons, and you'll see some more of that in our Creatures Effect workshop. So do take a look a bit further around the tour as you go around, and feel free to ask more of your lovely interactors for any more information that you want to learn. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your tour.